Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome to the class. Myself Inama Rajawat from Shivjyoti Education Group, Kota. Kids, in earlier class we have already done forward counting 1 to 100. Kids, today we will write forward counting 1 to 100 all together. So, take out your maths workbook, open the page numbers 87, 88 and 89. Kids, don't forget to mention the date and classwork on page number 87, 88 and 89. Kids, let's write with me. Take out your pencil. Write forward counting from 1 to 100. Kids, write 1 at the place of ones. Kids, now you tell me what comes after 1? Yes, 2. Write 2. Now write 3. Next is 4. Write 4. Now we will write 5. Kids, now you tell me what comes after 5? Yes, 6. Write 6. Now write 7. Next is 8. Write 8. Now we will write after 8, 9. Write 9. Kids, what comes after 9? Yes, 1, 0, 10. Kids, write 1 at the place of tens. Write 0 at the place of ones. 1, 0, 10. Kids, now you tell me what comes after 10? Yes, 1, 1, 11. Now we will write 11. 1, 1, 11. Kids, what comes after 11? Yes, 12. Write 12. 1, 2, 12. Next is 13. Write 13. 1, 3, 13. Now we will write 14. 1, 4, 14. Kids, what should I write here? Yes, 15. 1, 5, 15. Next is 16. 1, 6, 16. Now we will write 17. 1, 7, 17. Next is 18. 1, 8, 18. Kids, what comes after 18? Yes, 19. Write 1, 9, 19. Now we will write 2, 0, 20. 2, 0, 20. Kids, now you tell me what comes after 2, 0, 20? Yes, 2, 1, 21. Write 2, 1, 21. Kids, what comes after 21? Yes, 2 to 22. Write 2, 2, 22. Now we will write 23. 2, 3, 23. Next is 24. Write 2, 4, 24. Kids, what should I write here? Yes, 2, 5, 25. 2, 5, 25. Now we will write here 26. 2, 6, 26. Next is 27. Write 2, 7, 27. Kids, what should I write here? Very good, kids. 2, 8, 28. So kids, speak and write 2, 8, 28. Next is 29. Write 2, 9, 29. Kids, now you tell me what comes after 29? Yes, very good, kids. 3, 0, 30. Write 3, 0, 30. Kids, what comes after 3, 0, 30? Very good, kids. 3, 1, 31. Write 3, 1, 31. Kids, what comes after 31? Yes, 3, 2, 32. Write 3, 2, 32. Next is 33. Write 3, 3, 33. Now we will write here 3, 4, 34. 3, 4, 34. Kids, what should I write here? Very good, kids. 3, 5, 35. 3, 5, 35. Next is 36. Write 3, 6, 36. Now we will write 3, 7, 37. Very good, kids. Write 3, 7, 37. Next is 3, 8, 38. Write 3, 8, 38. Kids, now we will write 3, 9, 39. Write 3, 9, 39. Kids, what should I write here after 3, 9, 39? Yes, very good, kids. 4, 0, 40. Write 4, 0, 40. Kids, now you tell me what comes after 4, 0, 40? Yes, very good, kids. 4, 1, 41. Now we will write 41. 4, 1, 41. Next is 42. Write 4, 2, 42. Now we will write 4, 3, 43. Write 4, 3, 43. Kids, what should I write here? Yes, 4, 4, 44. Write 4, 4, 44. Next is 4, 5, 45. Write 4, 5, 45. Kids, What comes after 45? Yes. 4 6 46. Next is 4 7 47. Right. 4 7 47. Kids, what should I write here? Very good, kids. 4 8 48. Now we will write 4 9 49. 4 9 49. Kids, what comes after 49? Yes, 5 0 50. Right, 5 0 50. Kids, now you tell me what comes after 5 0 50? Yes, 5 1 51. Right. 5 1 51. What comes after 51? Yes, 52. Right. 5 2 52. Next is 53. Right. 5 3 53. Now we will write 54. 5 4 54. Next is 5 5 55. Right. 5 5 55. Kids, what should I write here? Yes, 5 6 56. Right. 5 6 56. Now we will write 57. 5 7 57. Next is 58. 5 8 58. Now we will write 59. Right. 5 9 59. Kids, what comes after 59? Yes, 60 60. Right. 6 0 60. Kids, now you tell me what comes after 60? Yes, 6 1 61. Right. 6 1 61. Now we will write 62. Right. 6 2 62. Next is 63. Right. 6 3 63. Now we will write 6 4 64. Right. 6 4 64. Kids, what should I write here? 6 5 65. Right. 6 5 65. Next is 6 6 66. 6 6 66. Now we will write 6 7 67. 6 7 67. Next is 68. 6 8 68. Now we will write 69. Right. 6 9 69. Kids, what comes after 69? Yes, very good kids. 70, 70. 7, 0, 70. Kids, now you tell me what comes after 70? Yes, 7, 1, 71. Right. 7, 1, 71. Next is 72. Right. 7, 2, 72. Now we will write 7, 3, 73. 7, 3, 73. Kids, what should I write here? Very good kids. 7, 4, 74. 7, 4, 74. Next is 7, 5, 75. Now we will write 76. 7, 6, 76. Next is 7, 7, 77. 7, 7, 77. Kids, now we will write 78. 7, 8, 78. Next is 7, 9, 79. 7, 9, 79. Kids, what should I write here? Yes, 80, 80. Right. 8, 0, 80. Kids, now you tell me what comes after 80? Very good kids. 8, 1, 81. Right. 8, 1, 81. Kids, what comes after 81? Yes, 8 to 82. Right. 8, 2, 82. Next is 8, 3, 83. 8, 3, 83. Now 8, 4, 84. 8, 4, 84. Now we will write 8, 5, 85. 8, 5, 85. Next is 8, 6, 86. 8, 6, 86. Kids, what should I write here? Yes, 8, 7, 87. 8, 7, 87. Next is 8, 8, 88. 8, 8, 88. Kids, now we will write 8, 9, 89. Right. 8, 9, 89. Kids, what should I write here? Yes, 90, 90. Right. 9, 0, 90. Kids, now you tell me what comes after 90? Yes, 91. Very good kids. Right. 9 at the place of tens. 1 at the place of ones. Kids, what comes after 91? Yes, 92, 92. Very good kids. Right. 9, 2, 92. Now we will write 93. 9, 3, 93. Kids, what comes after 93? Yes, 9 4, 94. Right. 9 4, 94. Now we will write 95. 9 5, 95. Next is 96. Write 9 6, 96. Now 9 7, 97. 9 7, 97. Next is 9 8, 98. 9 8, 98. Kids, what comes after 98? Yes, 9 9, 99. Right. 9 9, 99. Kids, now you tell me what comes after 99? Yes, very good kids. 100. Write 1 at the place of 100. Again 0. 1 0 0, 100. So kids, do this work in your maths workbook. Page numbers 87, 88 and 89. And kids, on the page number 58, write counting from 51 to 100 is there. So you have to complete this page in your maths book. Thank you. Have a nice day.